Experiencing frequent Wi-Fi disconnects with your Xfinity service? You're not alone. Disconnections often stem from a few key issues: channel congestion, electromagnetic interference, or problems with your Xfinity pods. First, understand that Wi-Fi operates on different channels within the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Overcrowding on a particular channel can cause drops. Use the Xfinity Xfi app or a third-party tool like Wi-Fi Analyzer to scan nearby networks and identify less congested channels. Switch your Wi-Fi network to one of these less crowded channels. Also, consider interference from devices like microwaves or Bluetooth gadgets. Keep your router away from these and ensure you're using WPA3 encryption for added security and stability. By 2025, Xfinity gateways even include built-in interference detection via the app. If you're using Xfinity pods, ensure they're properly placed to extend your Wi-Fi coverage. Pods create a mesh network, communicating with your main gateway. Place them midway between the gateway and areas with weak signals, avoiding obstructions. Pods create a mesh network, communicating with your main gateway. Be careful not to overload your network with too many pods. 3 to 4 is generally sufficient. For optimal performance, consider a wired Ethernet backhaul for your pods to minimize wireless bottlenecks. Keep your gateway and pods updated with the latest firmware to prevent bugs. Looking ahead, Wi-Fi technology is evolving. Xfinity is rolling out Wi-Fi 7 compatible models, promising faster speeds and reduced interference. AI-driven automation is also on the rise, with Xfinity using AI to predict and prevent drops. As technology advances, Wi-Fi disconnections should become less frequent, but these troubleshooting steps will help you maintain a stable connection in the meantime.